Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. So welcome to this segment once again called Cooking Made Simple, where I tell you all the simple cooking that I am able to do, that I have got the recipes from either mum or friends, mostly at university. So today is going to be a very simple chili con carne a recipe that I used to make an awful lot of at school. So we've got the chili sauce over there, and then the con carne, of course, is the meat, and it has to be minced meat over there. The other things that I always put in is potatoes, and of course you do need kidney beans for it, an assortment of spices, so we've got almost everything there. Turmeric, chilies, chili flakes, garam masala, and what else is there? I can see dhania powder, I think. Okay, over here we've got garlic that has been cut into small pieces. This is paste, but we always freeze it. We've got some chili there, and we've got some onions there. So we're going to start off by putting the onions in, and we're going to let those brown for about 2 minutes. Okay, that's browned nicely. Can we put the spices in, please? Okay, so give that a good mix, please. And make sure we're going to leave that to blend for about 3 minutes. Okay, and then revisit. That's coming on nicely now, viewers. So as always, I forgot to tell you that we are having this with boiled rice and peas, but me being a student cook, what I do is put it into the whole of the mixture. Okay, so that is to come. So can we put the other ingredients in, please? So we've got the chili going in, we've got the garlic, and we've got ginger, and going to let that blend. So I always put all these things in one go so that they make a nice paste. Okay, so we want the the garlic and the ginger to really blend into the paste, so I'm going to cook this for about 4 minutes. So you do want to keep turning it over so that everything blends nicely. So it should be done in about 3 more minutes. Okay, that paste is really nice now. So can we add the keema to that, the mincemeat to that, please? Okay, so the mince has gone into that, and we really need to mix that really well. And we will do that for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're ready for our next addition. This is optional, so I like potatoes in it. Okay, just give that a good mix. Okay, so can we add the sauce to that, please? So we add the sauce at this time. Okay, this is chili sauce going in. Okay, just give that a good mix. So I should have told you that the potatoes are not cooked normally. I do boil them. So okay, so give that a good mix, and we're going to cook those for about 15 minutes with the lid on. So the lid is tightly on, viewers, so we're going to cook that for about 15 to 20 minutes. We do like the mince well done, but if you don't like it well done, you can leave it on for less. Okay, so we like it really well cooked and soft, because children will be eating it. So we'll revisit in 20 minutes. So as you can see, it's a little bit watery, but still we're going to put in the last ingredient of chili con carne, which of course is beans. Okay, sorry, kidney beans. Alright, so we're going to give that a good mix and try to get rid of the water. So I've made it a little bit watery, but hopefully I can get rid of it. So this is chili con carne, and we're going to try and reduce the water a little bit. so it's going to take me a little bit longer, but normally this would just be a 5-minute process, especially as they are from a tin. Okay, so we will revisit when we think it's done. There we have it, viewers, chili con carne. So I've managed to evaporate the water, and so you can eat this like this with the boiled rice here, or what I am an ex-student, and this is what we used to do at university, put the whole lot in. So I didn't cook this 100% anyway, so I'm going to put that in there and cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, the rice is in now. We'll let that cook with the lid on for 5 minutes. Okay, so we think that's cooked now, viewers, so we're just going to give it a good mix. So it's burning a little bit at the bottom, so we'll turn the heat off. I'm going to give that a good mix and then show you how it looks. There we have it, viewers, my recipe of chili con carne and rice mix. So I did manage to burn a little bit of the mincemeat, but I'm sure it will it tastes nice, so I am going to give it a taste. That is lovely. I assure you that tastes really nice. Once again, I thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please watch fully. Please tell all your friends about the channel. Until the next time, I say goodbye. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.